Here I am today on the 2021 Sunliner 230. This boat has been completely redesigned for 2021, and I'm excited to show you some of the great new features that I know you and your family are going to enjoy. I'm standing in the back of the boat, which is this huge lounge area for you to be able to enjoy with your family, with easy access into and out of the water. The boat also has these brand new safety rails, as well as integrated bumper keepers for easy access to your bumpers when you need them. There's cup holders that are accessible while you're on the boat or on the water, as well as an integrated audio control that is easily accessible from either on the boat or out in the water, and a power port so that you can charge all your electronics and never run out of the needed power. This boat has also rear-facing speakers, so you've got great audio enjoyment while you're behind the boat, and an awesome integrated cooler so you can keep all your afternoon refreshments nice and cold. Under this seat is a huge storage space to be able to put all of your water toys and activities that you might want to store off the back of the boat for easy access. As you enter towards the front of the boat, you'll notice that this boat has the all new for the Sunliner C-Tech material, which is not only very durable, but also is cool to the touch even on those hot summer days. This sun lounger currently is sitting in its forward-facing position, has 3 positions. You can shift it one location for rearward-facing lounging, or all the way down if you want to take that much-needed afternoon nap. As we enter the main area of the boat, this boat has some awesome features. Some great new vinyl and graphics on the boat that look fantastic, and all of the seating locations in this boat have integrated armrests so you can rest with comfort. This boat has the optional table that you can pop up, put your afternoon snacks and drinks, and when you don't need it anymore, you just pop it out of the way and you've got easy access onto and off of the boat. Also new for 2021 is an all-new Helm, designed for your comfort and convenience. The seat and helm give you more legroom than in previous years. We also have new gauges as well as new switch gear that are easily accessible for you. Your audio controls are right here for easy access, a cup holder and a nice tray to be able to store anything that you want to have easy access to. As you head towards the front of the boat, there's tons of room up here for lounging and hanging out with your family and friends. These seats all have dry storage under them, tons of dry storage so that you can put towels and other things that you don't want to get wet. And the lounge areas have the armrests for your comfort. This boat also comes with the optional second bimini top for that much needed shade on those hot summer days. So there it is, the all-new Sunliner 230 for 2021. I'm sure that you and your family are going to have hours of fun on this boat all summer long. Thanks.